All right, I'm just gonna throw it in there one more time, just to see if there's anything else in there that's hungry for it. Another one. Oh, this one's even better. Oh, oh man. Oh man, that's a good one there. He's fighting hard. Oh my, look at this guy. That is a good sized smallie there. Oh, you gotta grab him here. All right. Oh my gosh. Look at that. He just spit this out. He just spit out this tube. That is crazy. We'll go ahead and keep that. Good creek smallie there. I thought maybe there would be another one in there. It's a nice little deep pocket where they're just waiting for food. That is a beautiful, beautiful smallie. All right, we'll go ahead and get a release on this guy too.